What's the main difference between dentures and dental implants? In the case of restoring missing teeth, there are two main alternatives that are available: dental implants or dentures. Each of them come with their own advantages and disadvantages. Hence, it is important to know the major distinctions between them to make a well-informed decision on which one is best for you. Implants are a long-lasting alternative to replace missing teeth. They're basically titanium posts which are surgically implanted in the jawbone to act as tooth replacement roots. After the implants have been healed and bonded to the jawbone, a crown bridge or denture can be connected to the implants to create an aesthetic and functional substitute to replace the tooth that is missing. However, dentures are appliances that can be removed which are utilized to substitute one or more missing teeth. Dentures are either complete or partial, based on the amount of teeth to be substituted. Dentures that are full can be used for when all the teeth on the lower or upper jaws are missing. On the other hand, partial dentures can be used for when only a handful of teeth have been lost. One of the major distinctions between dental implants and dentures is the degree of durability. Implants are regarded as an option that is permanent, since they are made to last for the duration of their life provided they are maintained and cared for properly. Dental implants, on the other side, might require replacement or adjusted regularly because of wear and tear or any changes within the jawbone structure. The other major difference between dentures and dental implants is the way they function. Implants function just like natural teeth and allow the normal chewing and speaking capabilities. They can also aid in the preservation of the jawbone and stop the loss of bone that occurs when teeth are missing. However, dentures might not offer the same degree of function, since they may shift or slip when eating or talking and can cause discomfort and impact the speech. The cost is another aspect to take into consideration when making a decision between dentures and dental implants. Implants are typically higher priced than dentures because the procedure involves multiple sessions and the surgical placing of the implants. But many patients discover that the benefits over time from dental implants, like increased stability and longevity, overshadow the initial expense. For maintenance purposes, dental implants are simple to maintain and require regular flossing and brushing similar to natural teeth. Dental implants, however, need special attention and cleansing solutions that prevent the buildup of bacteria and prolong the life. Dentures must also be cleaned and then soaked for a night in order to keep their form and keep them from drying out. The final decision between dentures and dental implants is based on your personal requirements and preference. If you're looking for an all-natural, permanent alternative to missing teeth and want to commit to an ongoing solution implant-supported dental treatment, they could be the ideal option for you. If cost is an issue or you would prefer an alternative that is removable, dentures could be an option. The bottom line is that both dentures and dental implants come with their own benefits and drawbacks. You should consult your dentist about your options and decide on the most effective method to restore the missing teeth. If you decide to go with dentures or dental implants, either option can offer an aesthetic and functional substitute for teeth that are missing and improve your oral health and helping to restore your smile.